Welcome everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. And here is a DSE M2 question from student. HKDSE M2 question. And this question is quite long and divided into three parts. First part, and we have a prism, a pyramid, this is pyramid, and cut the top side and become a prism, a frustum. And then the upper part of the frustum and is a base. Base is a square and 2x times 2x. The other base of the pyramid is 2y times 2. 2y times 2y is a square base also 2. And prove the area, the volume of the frustum is equal to 4h over 3 times y squared plus xy plus x squared. And here we let the height of the pyramid of the upper part k right here, and use the similar triangle, the base of similar triangle. We have k over k plus h. K plus h here, and equal to 2x over 2y. And here, and cancel the 2 and multiply in course method. Ky equal to kx plus hx, and then make the k has the subject of xh over y minus x. And here, and then the total volume of the frustum, which is equal to the large pyramid, minus the small pyramid here, the large here. Base area times the height and over 3, and then factorize the 1 over 3 outside, and also put the k into here. Also factorize the 4, the number, the 4 outside, 4. Y square k is xh plus over y minus x plus h minus x square xh y minus x. Here we discover the h is also a common factor. We factorize the h outside the bracket, and also reduce these two fractions into a common denominator, y minus x plus y minus x. Yes, these two fractions have same common denominator. That's why we can first cancel this 2x and then make the two fractions together. The denominator should be y minus x, and the numerator y to the power 3 minus x to the power 3. And factorize the numerator y minus x y squared plus xy plus x squared. And then cancel the numerator and the common factor of numerator and denominator, and we got the final answer, the question 1. Okay, and for the second part, the first part, here. For the second part, and there is a inverted frustum, and you can see the frustum here actually is equivalent to this frustum. Okay, and then erase the writing part, and then express the volume of water in form of H. The water, the height of water is equal to H. Right here, H. For simplification, we write this trapezium has like that. The upper is 10, the lower is 6, and the height is 8. And the water, the height of water should be H. And I draw a triangle here. For the sake of, we can apply this formula into this. We have to calculate the length of this, which is equivalent to this length. And write two triangles. This triangle is similar to this triangle, and this is equal to 2. This H, the height of the trapezium is 8, and let this length be K. Therefore, we have K over 2 equal to H over 8, and then got K equal to H over 4. Okay, I draw this, I copy this stuff to the part B. This is for part B, and apply this formula to apply the formula to this. You can see the lower part is 2 times 3. The upper part, this part, is equal to this part is H over 4 and plus 6. H over 4 plus as times 2 plus H plus 6. And therefore, I let the point A be here, which is AB. AB equal to, let me check, H over 2 plus 6. And half is equal to H over 4 plus 3. And then here is X and Y is the half length of the square. And therefore, the volume of the water should be 4 times H, capital H over 3. And the lower part or upper part is doesn't matter because it is symmetric form, in symmetric form, and the lower part is should be sorry, I make the quick longer length AB here, H over 4 plus 3 square. Here XY. And the lower part, 6 equivalent to X equal to 3. And then expand the bracket, which X square over 16 and 9, and then 3H over 2 plus 3H over 4 plus 9. And then reduce this fraction into a common denominator, which is 16. 16 which is equal to h to the power 2. Add these two together, and with the result is 36h, and also that this free line is 27 times 16 is equal to 432. And factorize, simplify for 1/12, multiply the h into the bracket. We have 1/12 times h to the power 3 times 3, 36 h to the power 2 plus 432. Okay, and finally, for the final part, if the depth of water is decreasing at a rate of 4/75, it means dH over dt equal to 4/75. And find the rate change of volume, which is equivalent to find the value of dV over dt when h equal to 3. Okay, cut this into this part. This is our V. Therefore, for part C, we have to differentiate this formula with respect to T. Differentiate style with respect to T. For the right hand side, for the left hand side is dV over dt. For the right hand side, 3 times h to the power 2 times dh over dt plus 72 times h times dh over dt. Oh, this is missing. H is missing. For the last part is 432 times dH over dt. When h equal to 3, dH over dt equal to 4/75. We have 1/2 and 3 times 3 to the power 2 times 4/75 and 72 times 3 times 4/75 plus 432 times 4/75. The final answer is, after the calculate with a calculator, and the final answer is 3. The unit should be cm square over time, over second. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, finally, please subscribe Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.